Hello, so today we're talking about the properties of a circle. Now, there's three main terms that you're going to need to learn by the end of this video. And the first term is diameter. The second term is radius. And the third term is circumference. Right, let's begin with looking at the diameter of a circle. The diameter is a measurement of how far one edge is from the edge exactly opposite to it. So if I were to measure this, I might find that my diameter is 15 centimeters. Now it's important to note it doesn't have to be horizontally like this. You could start with a point here, and as long as you're going exactly over to the point on the opposite side of the circle, like so, you are still finding the diameter. And the thing with the circle is that it should be perfectly round. So the measurement will be the same no matter which direction you take it from. Now you'll notice by sketching the diameters out on this circle, I have found the center point. Now, the radius is just the distance from the center point to the edge, and it can be in any direction at all. Now, if you know the diameter of a shape, then you can calculate the radius by dividing the diameter by 2. So earlier I said the diameter of this shape might be 15 centimeters, in which case I've got to divide 15 centimeters by 2. And so the radius would be 7.5 centimeters. So we have the diameter, we have the radius. The final measurement that we might want to take of a circle is the circumference. And the circumference is how long this edge around the outside is. So it's the distance around a circle. I like to remember it as the perimeter of a circle. Now I want you to think about something for a second. I wouldn't have any problems measuring the diameter or the radius because they're straight lines. I could use a ruler. But how on earth am I going to measure the circumference? If I were to try using a ruler, I would have very little luck, unless it was one of those bendy rulers. And even then, it wouldn't exactly be all that accurate. The easiest and the simplest way to measure the circumference of a circle would be to take something that can bend and use that to measure. So in today's task, I recommend you find a piece of string or a piece of thread, and you use that to measure. You start off by placing it at a starting point. You bend the thread right the way around the outside of your circle, being very careful to be accurate, and then you mark the point where one end meets the other. Then what you do is you take your string, stretch it out in a straight line, and then measure it, and that will give you your circumference. If I had a circle whose diameter was 15 centimeters and whose radius was 7.5 centimeters, my circumference would be roughly 47.1 centimeters. So you know that you can expect your circumference to be quite a lot larger than the diameter or the radius because it's got to go all the way around the outside of your